Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video of one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us on for sale today here we have a Ford Transit Connect Limited Series L2, so the long wheelbase version. This is the 1.5 litre, 120 PS, 240, 6-speed manual gearbox. Covered just 7,708 miles, so lovely low mileage. Registered July 2021 and sits on the 21 plate. So it comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty for 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first from that date of registration, so good chunk of that left. Excellent condition inside and out. Metallic chrome blue. And as it's a limited series, there's a few telltale signs already. You've got the dual spoke alloy wheels, you've got the body colour side mouldings, body colour door handles, you've got the body colour door mirrors, rear park pilot, so rear parking sensors, 180-degree rear barn doors. You've got the Ford heated windscreen, you've got automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, corner and fog lights, heated seats, plus much more. As this is an L2, so the longer wheelbase version of the Connect, you get just under 2 meters of load length along the easy clean floor. You've got various tie downs, ply lining inside, LED load lighting, and a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment, if you see in the bottom left hand side of the screen. If you lift that up and pull down one of the passenger seats, you then get a huge amount of space through that gap. And 180-degree rear barn doors. Right, so let's take a look inside the cab. Again, excellent condition like the rest of the van. Leather trimmed 4-spoke steering wheel. Height telescopic adjustable. We've got the dual belted passenger seats, one of them is heated. And the 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, it's also heated, including lumbar support. Electric one-touch driver side window. Automatic headlights with daytime running. Voice activation for when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Cruise control, speed limiter, and just behind that is the Ford power start button, so keyless start. And just confirming the mileage. 6-speed manual gearbox, so down there you've got 3 pedals. But up here you've got your manual air conditioning, you've got your heated windscreen, you've got your 2 heated seats, heated door mirrors, quick clear and quick cool. Then up here on the 4.2-inch LCD display, here you've got your radio, so FM, AM, DAB. If you connect your phone through Bluetooth or through USB underneath the middle seat, it plays Siri through your phone, so you connect your phone through there, it can audible messaging, etc. Little bits like that, play your music. This also displays the rear parking sensors. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we've got a very rare van, a Ford Transit Connect Limited Series L2, so the long wheelbase version, 6-speed manual gearbox, 240, 1.5 litre, 120 PS. Excellent condition inside and out, metallic chrome blue, very low mileage at just 7,708. If you have any questions or would like to give us a call, please do so on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.